Zay, I'm in here. You're good. I'm coming right back. Is this thing on? Is this thing on? No caps. See if you guys know that one. All right. Y'all saw this last week. This is my PC. Here's the thing. I want more. So we got some more. So this is going to be a quick little PC update video because I am going to take apart what's in there and switch it out. And I have not sure what's in there still and how we're going to Ishin-dose that. But we're going to Ishin-dose that while baby is here and my dad is cooking. See? Yes? You want to talk? Alright, well, Blippi's in the background, and I really hope you guys can't hear that. But for those of you that might know, this is my original gamer tag. What's up, Zay Zay? Are you watching Blippy, mate? Yeah, hopefully. Anywho, so I thought I'd put this on my VGHS. If you know, you know, okay? You cannot bullshit VGHS, okay? If you fuck with it, then you do. Today, we're upgrading, yeah? That's right. That's crazy. I was saying, check out that disgusting mess, yeah? I pulled out my 4 terabyte Seagate Barracuda. That's right, baby. And now we're gonna try to do our best to take apart everything. Don't forget, mates, I'm gonna have some stuff for resale right here, yeah? I'm not only gonna have my motherboard, my chip itself, this Cooler Master, those 2 DDR4, but that T-Force DDR4 as well in there for sale. I'm gonna clean these babies up and I'm gonna ship them off to whoever wants to pick them up. In the meantime, you guys see it. This is what's next. That's the package. Okay, we're gonna have to go 14th gen i9 with some more cooling power. We have to upgrade to DDR5. We're gonna have some M.2 and god damn it, yeah, we're gonna have a nice motherboard. Oh, my Atlanta to cap off this amazing finish. Yes, she's almost there. Yes, the cable management is horrendous, but she does exactly what we need her to do, and that's all that matters. Next step, actually, we're gonna actually put the camera there, and we're actually gonna do some streams because I think this little tight space is good enough for us to be able to make some content 3 days a week, play some video games, and have some fun with it. So if you want to join me along that ride, I think we're gonna shoot for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. That's the goal. So let's finish this baby up and see what it looks like.